What if I told you that there is a third stock exchange in India which no one's talk about? इस third exchange का नाम है MSCI, the Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India. 2008 में launch हुई थी with big hopes, but it quickly faded. So 15 years later, a surprising shift happened. Major fintechs like Grow and Share India invested 240 crores in this exchange. They have cash, technology, licensing, with no legal baggages. I think it is very easy for them to rebuild such an exchange again. What they actually wanted to do, SEBI had this rule of one exchange, one expiry day. But SEBI again changed the rule and it gave a major blow to MSCI. The rule changed to all expiries on a single day, and hence the stock of MSCI dropped from 14 rupees to 5 rupees overnight. Now they are working on SME listings, currency, debt, ESG indices, even bonds. Today, MSCI is a cash-rich company with 47 crores on its balance sheet, and they have also raised 1100 crores from 67 entities. Investors can look at it in two ways. One, they can think that MSCI is working hard on its business strategies, or secondly, it could again be a high risk bet because it has low liquidity zone, and if the strategy flips, the stock again flops. So what do you want to do as an investor? Would you like to invest or stay away? So till then, keep following Equitrust Solutions, stay safe and stay invested. Thank you.